Okay, today we're going to look at a test question on how to answer particle diagram questions. So the question here states, the diagram below shows the mixture of particles in a solution. You've got a diagram of the particles and you've got here a key telling you which particle's which. Now, the question states, when the solution is applied to a surface, the liquid evaporates, leaving a solid layer on the surface. And the question is asking you to draw a diagram showing the arrangements of particles in the solid left behind. So, sometimes they'll tell you what to use to represent the solid, sometimes they won't. We are going to use this. We're going to use a circle coloured in. And if you're not sure, you can then add a key at the side, okay, to say solid particle, and you need to use a number of these. So 8's a good number, 9's a good number, and I've drawn them in there, all 9, and I've drawn them in a regular arrangement showing that they're in a fixed position and that they're all touching. And now that I've drawn them, I'm just colouring them in to make sure they match my key. So I've got 9 particles there representing my solid. And like I said, if they've told you what to use to represent your solid, use that. If not, pick and tell them what you're using. Okay, so as the answer to part A, I've got 9 particles and I've shown them as a solid. And then part B, draw a diagram to show the arrangement of particles in a gas. So for the gas, I'm going to use this. Okay, I'm just going to use a circle with some hatchings in, gas particle. Again, they might have told you what to use. Now, the key here is to remember, try and draw the same number of particles. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, but they've got to be randomly arranged because they are in a gas. So they are moving about freely. You could have 1 or 2 touching, okay, because you could show them colliding. But you want a random arrangement. There's your diagram of particles arranged in a solid, and there's your diagram of particles arranged in a gas. That question will get you a good couple of marks, and it doesn't matter what the solid is named as or what the gas is named as, or if they've asked you to draw a liquid. The particle arrangement will be the same. So just practice drawing them and try to use around 8 or 9. You do not need to fill this whole box, okay? You will spend too long doing that. You just need to give them an idea of how the particles will be arranged. Right, we hope that helps you, and we'll see you again soon for another question and answer.